Hi, this is the first night that I'll be staying in the camper after, I don't know, 4 or 5 months building this little guy here. Tow it behind a bicycle. It's well insulated, very cozy, and yeah, it's got good ventilation, bunch of windows. Use a candle for a heater, keeps it at like 65 in here. It's about 40 degrees out right now. Got stereo, surround sound, and a 4-inch mattress, so should be a good night's sleep. Anyway, I'll report back in the morning, and we'll see what kind of night's sleep we get. Talk to you later. Thank you.